Hi everybody, I want to give you a very useful tip. Now we're all wearing masks to protect ourselves from COVID, right? And even those people who already had COVID doesn't mean that they cannot catch it again. So they have to wear masks to do social distances and protect themselves from not catching the COVID again. So my tip for today is to put on your mask 1 or 2 drops of essential oils. And while you're wearing the mask, you breathe the essential oil. So all essential oils are antiviral, antibacterial, antimicrobial. So they are killing actually bacteria, viruses, and microbes, which are not beneficial and are toxic for our body. And I'm using, you can do like this. I have this with a roller. But you can put 1 or 2 drops on your mask. So just do like this. Just touch it. And when you wear it, it smells so nicely. So which one you can use and for which purpose? For stress, you can use lavender and chamomile, vetiver, geranium, clary sage, bergamot, and neroli. Okay, so that's for stress. If you're stressed, you just put 1 or 2 drops on your mask. For SIBO and IBS, you can use peppermint or thyme. For cholesterol, lemongrass. Then for clove is a blood thinner, so that's very important for COVID. You need to thin your blood because it's clogging if you have. Then for anti-inflammatory is citrus, lime, and lemon. They stop nausea, and they're also boosting glutathione levels, and also clove. Oregano and thyme are good for colitis. Okay, so you can use your blend, and you can to make 1 drop from lavender, 1 drop from thyme, and you can breathe it. The thing is that these are actually not oily. Even though they are called essential oils, they are not oily and they are not making stains. They are volatile substances which evaporates. That's why if you want to put it on skin, you don't put it directly. You just blend it with another oil like coconut oil, avocado, olive oil. And that's how they will stay on the skin and it will absorb. But otherwise, if you put it in the diffuser, it will evaporate. So it's also good to use diffuser because they're killing in the bacteria in the air and the viruses. So I hope you liked this tip. And just don't forget to subscribe to register for my free 3-part video series for healing the gut naturally, where I explain the reason behind it, and I go deeper explaining why some people get leaky gut and how this happens, and what are the steps to follow in order to heal the gut properly. So there is a roadmap to follow. You cannot do it randomly, doing random things. So you need to do specifically special tips, special steps, one after each other. Okay, so if you like this video, please share it with your friends and make them use this very helpful tip, which I'm using now every day. And I have all the essential oils, and I have many of them, but just make sure they're organic, please. Because if they're not organic, they have toxins and you're breathing toxins with them. If they're sprayed, if the herbs was sprayed before they were made as essential oil, then you're breathing actually toxins and pesticides. We don't want that, right? So please share this video with your friends, and I hope you will start practicing this today. See you, bye.